Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 30th of August and I'm back again with another update. So this is going to be a weekly and monthly update as well. So let's begin with Nifty's monthly chart. So this is Nifty's monthly chart and this month Nifty has gained over 5% and has made a very bullish candle, and it's just now a bit over 6% away from the all-time highs. Right, friends. So last 3 months have been really good. 7% here, 7.5% here, and 5% here, and it has closed almost at the top of the candle, which is very bullish. Right, friends. So let's switch to the weekly chart. So even on a weekly chart, we are getting to see a very good bullish candle with 2.5% gains. Last couple of weeks, Nifty was struggling a bit, but this week it has broken out and given a very good candle with 2.5% gains. On a weekly chart, friends, we can see this resistance here, a previous high, which is at 11,760. Nifty is pretty close to that. We need to see whether it'll react there or it'll continue the momentum. Needs to be seen, but right now it's looking very bullish and the momentum is back. Let's look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, last time when we reviewed, friends, so we were here 5 days back. This candle was made on 21st of August. We had seen loss of momentum and Nifty entering a consolidation. I thought it may continue in consolidation phase for some time, but supported by Bank Nifty, it could break out and give some good up move here. So as I said, it is close to this 11,760. This is one resistance level which we can watch out for. It is above all moving averages, above this resistance that was holding it back for some time, 11,380. It is above all these resistance levels, and we could watch out for this level, and then this is another intermediate high and the all-time highs. So we can watch out for these levels in the coming days and weeks. But right now, the momentum seems to be intact. The trend seems to be back. The uptrend seems to be back. So this was a short-lived consolidation. We can just say a complex pullback, and then it broke out of these levels, and it is now back in the up move. Right, friends. So Nifty on the last closing session, Nifty made about 0.7%, but Bank Nifty was really a strong performer on that day. Bank Nifty, banking and financial services. So in fact, the last 5 days move what Nifty has seen has all been because of the banking and FinServ stocks. All other sectors have been consolidating, and banking and financial services are the ones which are doing really well. So banking, especially in last 1 week, has seen about 9 points, almost 10% gains in last week. Right, friends. So it has actually broken through very tough resistance levels. Like it is about 200 EMA now, 50% retracement, and just let's see how far is it from 200 SMA. So it is just 2.5% short of 200 SMA. But this is a very bullish candle, but it is actually looking a little extended. But let's see if this can continue the momentum or will it consolidate here. Let's see in the coming days. But yeah, so it broke out of in last 1 week. It broke out of this level, broke out of this 23,000 level, which it reacted a couple of times, and it broke out of 200 EMA and 50% retracement. It is above all resistance levels and just 2% below 200 SMA. So it would be interesting to watch out whether it can continue the move or is it like extended and start consolidating. Needs to be seen. Right, friends. So looking at the bank, so this is the banking index. Let's look at because this is critical to Nifty's further up move. Let's look at some of the banking stocks. Nifty Bank is here. So this is Axis Bank. Axis Bank is close to 200 EMA, which is a resistance. Kotak Bank is above all the moving averages, looking bullish. ICICI Bank is looking bullish. HDFC Bank is all above all moving averages. SBI is at a resistance. IndusInd Bank, Baroda Bank, these are a bit far from 200 EMA and SMA. Federal Bank is close to the 200 EMA. IDFC First Bank is above all the moving averages. Bandhan Bank is slightly far from 200 EMA. So we could say there is a mix of stocks that are at resistance level and have some headroom. Let's see how these will move the Bank Nifty in coming days. But Bank Nifty itself looks a little extended, but never know. The momentum is strong, so it may continue the up move. So next few sessions will see what's going to happen. Let's look at some of the other sectors. Finance saw a good move as well, along with banking. IT is consolidating, pharma is consolidating, FMCG is consolidating, energy too. Auto looks like extended, and the Friday session gave a bearish candle. Metal 2 is beginning to consolidate. Media is looking quite strong. Realty 2 is looking good. Mid cap and small cap also has had a very good rally, friends. Small cap is especially a very good rally, very extended. Looks extended, but a very good rally. Right. VIX is coming down day by day. US markets are doing good, and gold is looking a bit bearish. A lot of this is gold ETF, HDFC Gold ETF, looking a bit bearish, but it is finding some support here. But let's see if it can hold on or will it crash further. So that's pretty much, friends. Let's compare sectors with each other. So this is 5 days. 5 days chart, sectors comparing it with each other. Banking has really outperformed. Banking and finance is at the top. Media is also at the top with 9% and 5% gains. Rest all are quite spread out. Right, friends. So let's look at the monthly chart as well. So on a monthly basis, media is at the top with 45% gains, metals with 37% gains, realty with 35% gains, quite spread out. The underperformer here is the FMCG with just 10% gains. Pharma, let's look at pharma. Pharma is at 22 to 23% gain. This is Bank Nifty here with 27% gain. So media is an outperformer on a monthly basis. Media, metals, realty, auto, these have done really well. Rest all are in the middle with along with Nifty. Then sorry, this is a 3-month chart. Let me click the monthly chart. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the monthly chart. Yeah, media stands out with 25% gains, metals with 18%, realty with 18%, pharma here at 14%. Bank actually started performing pretty late in the month with 10%. Rest all are in line with Nifty. Right, thank you. Thanks a lot, friends, for watching the video. So let's look at the market action in the coming days. So Bank Nifty will decide where it will go next. It depends whether Bank Nifty is already extended and it will consolidate, or it will continue the momentum. That needs to be watched out for. As far as the support and resistance goes, as I explained, it is above all the moving averages. All these moving averages will act as a support. This 11,380 level where we saw some consolidation will act as a support, and at resistance we have this 11,760, 12,250 and 12,430, which are the all-time highs. Thanks a lot for watching the video, friends. See you again in the next